Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video in store for you as we explore how to transform your house into a furniture heaven. If you are looking to give your home a fresh new look and create a cozy, stylish and inviting space, you are in the right place. So let's dive right in. The first step in transforming your house into a furniture heaven is planning. I have created this mood board to help visualize the style and theme I want for my space. You can use online tools or even create a physical mood board like this one. It's all about defining your vision. Now that we have a plan, it's time to declutter and maximize our space. Let's start by getting rid of items that no longer serve our purpose. Trust me, this step is essential for creating a fresh canvas for your furniture makeover. Selecting the right furniture is crucial. I am here at a fantastic furniture store to explore some options. Remember, your choice should align with your style, budget, and the available space. Let's check out some beautiful pieces. If you are on a budget or love a good dye project, consider giving your old furniture a makeover. Sanding, painting, and adding new hardware can completely transform your piece. I am turning this old table into a stunning centerpiece. Arranging your furniture for flow and functionality is an art. We want our space to feel open and inviting. Pay attention to the placement of each piece, making sure it complements the room's overall design. Now it's time to add two finishing touches. Accessories like cushions, rugs, artwork, and plants can infuse personality and warmth into your space. Make it your own and don't be afraid to get creative. Don't underestimate the power of lighting. Updating your light fixtures can instantly elevate the ambience of your room. Choose fixture the complement your style and provide adequate illumination. And now the movement we have all been waiting for. The big reveal. Our house has been transformed into a furniture heaven. It's cozy, stylish, and welcoming. I cannot be happier with how it turned out. So, in this video, uh, we give our ideas to your home to how to decorate. It's a picture showing a video that could help you. Transforming your house into a furniture heaven is not just about filling your space with beautiful pieces. It's about creating a home that reflects your personality and provides comfort and style for you and your loved ones. The journey begins with careful planning where you envision the look and feel you want to achieve. Consider the color scheme, themes, and styles that resonate with you. Once you have a clear vision, it's time to declutter and make room for your new furniture. Removing unnecessary items and organizing your space can be therapeutic process, making way for a fresh start. As you embark on the quest for the perfect furniture, remember that it's not just about aesthetics, think about functionality too. How will each piece enhance your daily life? Do they fit the room's layout? Are they comfortable and practical? Whether you choose to invest in new furniture or embark on a DIY project to breathe new life into your existing place, the key is to stay true to your style and budget. And when it comes to arranging your furniture, don't forget the importance of flow and functionality. Ensure that furniture arrangement allows for easy movement and promotes social interaction. Adding personal touches through accessories such as cushions, rugs, artwork, and plants is the final step in making your space uniquely yours. Lighting plays also a significant role too, as it can set the mood and highlight for your furniture's best features. Ultimately, the transformation is inspired. So, let's dive into the details of each step and get started on this exciting journey to turn your house into a furniture heaven. I'd like to remind you that our channel is a treasure trove of design inspiration. If you are passionate about creating elegant living spaces, don't forget to check out our previous videos on topics like sophisticated living room decor, timeless kitchen designs, and even tips for organizing your space with style and showing many ideas and styles in our video. Each video is crafted with the aim of helping you infuse elegance and modern flair into every corner of your home. Be sure to explore our playlist for more ideas that complement today's discussion, where you have the opportunity to express yourself through furniture and design. Each piece you choose should tell a story and contribute to the overall narrative of your living space. As you explore furniture options, don't be afraid to mix and match styles, colors, and textures to create a harmonious yet eclectic atmosphere. Remember, it's not just about following trends, it's about creating a space that resonates with you on a personal level, whether you have a minimalistic, rustic, bohemian, or modern aesthetic. There's furniture out there that can help you achieve your desired look. And if you are budget, don't despair. That project can be incredibly rewarding and cost effective. Revamping old furniture with a fresh coat of paint or some creative modifications can breathe new life into your space without breaking the bank. So, let's embark on this creative journey together where we transform your house into a furniture heaven that's uniquely and beautifully yours. Helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement ideas and inspiration. And also, please we check out our playlist and previous videos for more inspiration ideas that can transform your home in a beautiful and elegant way. Until next time, make your home a heaven of comfort and style. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more inspiring videos. Bye for now.